What if I told you that some of the very features designed to make your Honda more efficient, cleaner, and technologically advanced could actually be reducing its long-term reliability? In this video, I am uncovering Honda features that can silently shorten engine life, increase maintenance costs, and potentially lead to major repairs if owners don't understand how they work. Stick around until the end, because one of these features has been linked to fuel dilution problems that triggered lawsuits and affected thousands of Honda owners worldwide. Let's dive in. Feature number 11, Auto Start-Stop System. One of the most controversial features found on modern Hondas is the Auto Start-Stop System. Honda claims this technology can improve fuel economy by approximately 3% to 10% in city driving. But the problem is, every time the engine shuts down and restarts, additional wear occurs on the starter motor, battery, starter relay, and engine bearings. A typical driver may encounter 50 to 150 stop events every day in urban traffic, which means the starter motor could experience tens of thousands of additional cycles every year. Traditional starters were often designed for around 30,000 to 50,000 starts during their lifetime, while start-stop systems require significantly more durable and expensive components. Many owners report premature battery failures because start-stop vehicles require expensive AGM batteries that undergo much more stress than conventional batteries. The biggest concern occurs when oil pressure drops during shutdown. However, engineers design these systems to minimize wear, but repeated oil pressure cycling over hundreds of thousands of miles can contribute to increased engine wear compared to a continuously running engine. This is why countless long-term Honda owners manually disable the system whenever possible to reduce stress on the engine and electrical system. Feature number 10, the 1.5-liter turbo. Here is the engine powering millions of Civics, Accords, and CR-Vs over the last decade, the 1.5-liter turbo Earth Dreams engine. Instead of relying on larger, naturally aspirated engines, Honda began using smaller, turbocharged engines to improve fuel economy while maintaining performance. The problem is that turbochargers create extreme operating conditions. A turbocharger can spin at over 200,000 revolutions per minute and generate temperatures exceeding 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. All that heat places tremendous demands on engine oil and cooling systems. Unlike older Honda engines that could sometimes survive neglected maintenance, turbocharged engines are far less forgiving. Missing oil changes or using low-quality oil can significantly accelerate turbocharger wear, and a failed turbo replacement can easily cost between $1,500 and $4,000. Feature number 9, Variable Cylinder Management. If you own a Honda V6, like a Pilot, Odyssey, Ridgeline, or an older Accord V6, this next feature is your absolute worst nightmare. It's called Variable Cylinder Management, or VCM. Under ideal circumstances, this technology can improve fuel efficiency by approximately 5% to 10%. The VCM uses electronic solenoids to deactivate 2 or 3 of the engine's cylinders under light loads, that transforms the V6 into a temporary inline 3 or V4 configuration. When cylinders repeatedly deactivate and reactivate, temperature differences can develop between active and inactive cylinders. Over time, these variations may contribute to uneven wear patterns throughout the engine. Many owners have reported excessive oil consumption, spark plug fouling, piston ring issues, and increased engine vibration. Engine mounts are particularly vulnerable because they must absorb constant transitions between different operating modes. Active engine mount replacements can cost over $1,000, and multiple mount failures have been reported by owners of VCM-equipped vehicles. Due to this issue, numerous Honda forums contain thousands of discussions from owners who have installed aftermarket devices to disable VCM entirely. Feature number 8, Continuously Variable Transmission. Honda introduced CVT transmissions to maximize fuel economy and keep engines operating within their most efficient RPM range. Unlike a traditional automatic transmission that relies on robust, interlocking steel planetary gears to distribute torque, a CVT utilizes a flexible steel push belt running along 2 variable-width smooth pulleys. This high-friction design leaves absolutely zero margin for maintenance neglect. The biggest problem is that many drivers underestimate the importance of transmission fluid maintenance. Heat is the #1 enemy of any transmission, and CVTs generate substantial heat under heavy acceleration and highway driving. As fluid ages, its ability to lubricate and cool internal components decreases dramatically. Some transmission specialists recommend changing CVT fluid every 30,000 miles, despite longer factory intervals. Owners who neglect fluid maintenance often experience shuddering, slipping, and eventually catastrophic transmission failure. While Honda's CVTs have improved significantly over the years, they remain more sensitive to maintenance neglect than traditional automatic transmissions. Feature number 7. Direct fuel injection. Direct fuel injection has become one of the most common technologies in modern Hondas because it improves fuel economy, reduces emissions, and increases power output. However, this feature also introduced a problem that many older Honda owners never had to worry about: carbon buildup. In traditional port-injected engines, gasoline continuously washes over intake valves and naturally removes deposits. But in direct injection systems, fuel bypasses the intake valves entirely and sprays directly into the combustion chamber. As a result, oil vapors from the crankcase ventilation system gradually accumulate on the valves and harden into carbon deposits. Some automotive studies have documented significant carbon accumulation on certain direct injection engines after only 50,000 to 70,000 miles. These deposits can restrict airflow, reduce fuel economy, cause rough idling, and decrease engine performance. In severe cases, professional walnut blasting may be required, with service costs ranging from $400 to over $1,000. It is true that direct injection delivers measurable performance gains, but many mechanics consider intake valve carbon accumulation one of the biggest long-term reliability challenges facing modern Honda engines. Feature number 6. Active grille shutters. Active grille shutters are a relatively new technology designed to improve aerodynamics and fuel economy. At highway speeds, the system automatically closes shutters located behind the front grille to reduce air resistance. However, active grille shutters introduce additional motors, sensors, actuators, and electronic controls that can eventually fail. Road salt, dirt, debris, and ice accumulation can interfere with shutter operation, especially in harsh climates. If the shutters become stuck closed, then engine cooling efficiency may be reduced during heavy loads or hot weather conditions. If they become stuck open, then fuel economy benefits disappear completely. Replacement costs often range from several hundred to over $1,000. Mechanics frequently point out that older Hondas achieved remarkable reliability partly because they lacked such complex systems. Active grille shutters may improve efficiency slightly, but they also add another potential repair item that owners must eventually deal with. Feature number 5. Electronic parking brake system. Older Hondas used a simple mechanical parking brake cable that could often last the entire life of the vehicle. But modern Hondas increasingly rely on electronic parking brake systems that use electric motors and control modules. It is true that these systems provide convenience and allow advanced features such as automatic brake hold, but they also introduce new failure points. Industry repair statistics show that electronic systems now account for a growing percentage of vehicle repair costs. If an electronic parking brake actuator fails, then the owners may face repair bills ranging from several hundred to over $1,000. Water intrusion, corrosion, electrical faults, and software issues can all prevent proper operation of parking brake actuator. Unlike a traditional cable-operated system that could often be repaired cheaply, electronic failures frequently require complete component replacement. As vehicles age beyond 10 years, the likelihood of electronic component failures increases significantly. This makes the electronic parking brake another example of a convenience feature that may reduce long-term ownership affordability. Feature number 4. Rapidly rusting rear subframes. In mid-2026, Honda was forced to issue a massive safety recall covering over 880,000 trucks and SUVs, specifically targeting the 2016 through 2022 Honda Pilot, Ridgeline, Passport, and Acura MDX. The underlying engineering issue stems from improper manufacturing coating specifications at the factory, which resulted in insufficient paint adhesion and widespread paint peeling directly near the critical suspension arm bracket welds. When these unshielded steel frames are exposed to winter road salt, chemical brines, and heavy moisture, the metal undergoes aggressive, rapid corrosion beneath the vehicle, completely unnoticed by the owner. Over time, this targeted rust thins the structural steel to the point of fracturing, which may cause the rear suspension components to completely tear away from the vehicle's frame rail while driving. A sudden structural suspension failure at highway speeds leads to an immediate loss of steering control, which turns a premium modern family hauler into an unalignable, completely totaled safety hazard. If you live in a cold weather state, this single manufacturing paint defect completely destroys the long-term structural lifespan of your vehicle, regardless of how perfectly you maintain the engine. Feature number 3. GDI high-pressure fuel pump system. Another feature that can negatively affect long-term reliability is Honda's gasoline direct injection high-pressure fuel pump system. Unlike older fuel systems that operated at around 40 to 60 psi, modern direct injection Hondas can generate fuel pressures exceeding 2,000 psi. That's roughly 40 times higher than traditional systems. While this improves fuel atomization and combustion efficiency, but it also places tremendous stress on the fuel pump, injectors, and seals. Over time, wear inside the high-pressure pump can reduce fuel delivery accuracy, leading to rough idling, hesitation, hard starting, and reduced fuel economy. Replacement of a high-pressure fuel pump can often cost over $1,000, while injector replacement can push repair bills much higher. Many mechanics report seeing direct injection fuel system repairs becoming increasingly common as vehicles pass 100,000 miles. Although the technology delivers excellent performance and emissions benefits, but it also creates a fuel system that is far more complex and expensive than the simple systems found in older Hondas. Feature number 2. Sensing radar and camera systems. Honda Sensing is packed with advanced safety technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These systems undoubtedly improve safety and help prevent accidents. However, they also add substantial complexity to the vehicle. Modern Honda sensing systems depend on radar sensors, front-facing cameras, software algorithms, and multiple control modules. Even a minor windshield replacement can require camera recalibration, costing hundreds of dollars. According to collision repair industry data, calibration procedures have become one of the fastest-growing repair expenses in modern vehicles. A damaged radar sensor located behind the front grille can cost over $1,000 to replace. As these vehicles age, owners may face expensive repairs involving sensors and electronics that older Hondas simply did not have. While Honda Sensing significantly improves safety, but it also introduces a level of technological complexity that can increase ownership costs over time. Feature number 1. Extremely thin, low-viscosity engine oils. Modern Hondas increasingly recommend ultra-thin oils, such as 0W20, and in some markets, even 0W16. These oils reduce internal friction and contribute to fuel economy improvements. According to automotive engineering studies, lower viscosity oils can improve efficiency by approximately 0.5% to 2%. However, some long-term owners and independent mechanics express concerns regarding engine longevity under severe operating conditions. Thinner oils naturally provide a thinner protective film between moving components. During extreme heat, towing, high-speed driving, or heavy engine loads, maintaining adequate protection becomes more challenging. Modern engines are designed around these oils, but neglecting oil changes or using poor quality oil can cause problems much sooner than in older engines that used thicker lubricants. This means owners have far less margin for error. While thin oils are not inherently bad, but they require strict maintenance discipline to provide maximum engine life. That's all for this video. Which of these Honda features do you think causes the most reliability issues? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive insights.